In this short video, I'll show you how to make a daily schedule in Excel so you can plan content calendars or campaign launches. For this one, we will utilize an AI assistant tool to make it easier for us. So go ahead and go to your AI assistant. I'll choose mine as ChatGPT, like this one, and we'll give him a good prompt. So something like generate an Excel file, daily schedule spreadsheet. There you go. Oh, for campaign launches for me to use. There you go. Just enter that simple prompt and it should start working on a Excel file. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for ChatGPT to work on it, so just give it a sec. There we go. You can go ahead and check the file by pressing it, and it will start downloading, and you can open it to see if it works for you. There you go. You can go ahead and adjust accordingly to fit inside your Excel. This. There we go. Now you know how to make a daily schedule in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.